Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video we are going to see how to use KME Smart App with ESP32. This is a codeless app. We can also use this app with Alexa and Google Home apps. Search KME Smart in Google and click on first link. Click on KEM config. This is the list of supported ESP family. Click on download. Unzip this file. Click on this folder and click on KME config. Click on 3 bars. Select COM port and connect. Flash the code. Press boot button on ESP32 board. Now the device is ready for configuration. See the MAC ID and device ID of the device. Click on 3 bars again, and then click on plus button. You can see many widgets. We select the relay button, as we want to operate LED connected to pin 14 of ESP32. Set pin as 14 in the configuration. Click on Upload button. Now the configuration is uploaded on the ESP32. Now go to mobile and search KME Smart in Google Play Store and install it. Start KME app. First time you need to register login with email ID and password. Click on plus sign and add device. Set SSID and password of your network and connect. I am selecting first option of Smart Connect. Select single device and press the boot key on ESP32 device for a short time so that it enters into smart pairing mode. Now click on Add Device and change the name. Let the device go online. Now click on Switch button to turn green LED on. Turn switch to off. That's it for today. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then please hit like button. Please share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks again and have a good time.